So here's a video for you people that don't want to spend money on a mechanic for a simple brake job. So first thing you want to do is loosen up your lug nuts. It's easy to remove the wheel when they're loosened and up in the air already. So after you take your wheel off, just rotate your steering wheel so you have more access to your pad. Just easier to work with, you know. After that, use a 14mm socket to remove the two bolts that are holding your pads. After that, you should just be able to remove it pretty easily, just like so. Make sure your caliper isn't hanging anywhere. You don't want your wires to rip. And here is what your brake pads should not look like. So after you remove the brake pads, there are two more bolts holding the caliper down. And I just remove that to get the whole caliper off the disc. Here I'm using an impact driver, easier to remove these screws as sometimes they're pretty hard to remove. You can get this thing at Harbor Freight for like less than 10 bucks. After that, it should be pretty easy to just remove. Just put the new one back in. Screw it back in. And yeah, this is our method of putting in the pads. We didn't really have the right tool for it. So you just put back your caliper and you put back your two bolts. And that should be it. And that's how you save a good amount of money by doing your own brake job.